Hello, good morning to everyone. So students, today we are going to start our new chapter, chapter 5, Introduction to Negative Numbers. First we have to know about what are the numbers, what type of the numbers we have. First we have the counting numbers. What are the counting numbers? The numbers which we can use to count the things, that numbers we call the counting numbers. Like 1, 3, 4, 5 and so on. There is a no limit of a counting. So these are the counting numbers which we can count the things. Moving on next, whole numbers. Whole numbers are those which are included in the counting numbers. Means counting numbers with 0 are called whole numbers. Like take 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. These 1, 2 and so on, these are the counting numbers. Only 0 is included here. So these we call the whole numbers. Next we have the negative numbers. What are the negative numbers? Numbers having minus sign before the counting numbers. We call that numbers negative numbers, like minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, so on. We put here minus sign before the numbers. That numbers we call the negative numbers. Same as it is positive numbers. Positive numbers we understood by the meaning of positive. Positive means plus sign. If we having the positive sign before the numbers, that numbers we call the positive numbers. Like plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6 and so on. Before the numbers having positive sign, we call that positive numbers. These can also, we also write as only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this we can also write. Tell me one thing, what are the natural numbers also? Can we say natural numbers also counting numbers? Because the natural number starts with the 1. 1, 2, 3 up to so on, that numbers we call the natural numbers. So counting numbers also have the other name, what? Natural numbers. Next, moving on the integers. This is new term come in your chapter. So let's start. What is integers? The counting numbers with the 0 and the negative numbers are called the integers. Like I take here minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Here having negative integers, negative numbers included 0 with the counting numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. These all we call the integers. What we call? Integers. Now we learned about the integers on the number line. How we represent the integers on a number line. I drew here a straight line and marked the two arrows at both the ends. In the mid of the line, I put the 0. 0 I mark here. The numbers at the right of the 0, we call that numbers positive integers. The numbers at the right of the 0, the integers you can say at the right of a 0, that we integers call the positive integers, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I take this much integers. These integers are in a positive, so we called at the right of the 0, these integers are positive integers. And the integers at the left of the 0, that integers we call the negative integers, like minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. I take this much integers here. These all have the negative signs before the number. These integers we called the negative integers. These integers we called the negative integers. You have to remember one thing, and remember this thing also. 0 is neither positive and nor negative. And moving on the next, for negative integers, greater the number, smaller the value. Means minus 5 is having greater the number, minus 4 is, look here, minus 4 greater, minus 5, look here, greater than the minus 4. But in the negative integer, what we have? The number which is greater having the smaller the value. Means here minus 5 is less than minus 4, not greater than the 4. This is wrong and this thing is correct. The number having the greater in number, smaller having the smaller value. Next, positive numbers. Greater the number, greater the value. At the 0, at the right side of a 0. 1, after 1 comes what? 2. Now 2 is greater than 1. Mean the numbers are increasing at the right of a 0 and they have the greater the value and greater the number. So students, in this you have to remember this thing very clearly. For negative integers, greater the number having smaller value, and for positive integers, greater the number having greater the value.